First, I would open one of my projects. You can see the timeline name. It is actually the sequence name. And I will go to one of my other projects. I double click on it and I open that project as well. Now you can see we got two timeline sequences with two different names. Now that we got two projects with two different sequences, it's not very easy to identify which timeline belongs to which project. Therefore, changing the sequence name to help to identify the project is very useful. So, what you got to do is to first right click on the timeline name itself and then click on Reveal Sequence in Project. Then it would bring you to the project panel in here, and all you got to do is to simply click on the name like this and then write any name you want for that sequence, and it would automatically would also update the timeline's name, which you could also put same as the project's name to make it easier to identify.